guys, welcome to PG tutorials. So in this video I will show you how to reappear the command line bar. So let us start. So before getting started, please subscribe our channel. So let's start. So this is our command bar. Usually sometimes it disappears defaultly due to some error in AutoCAD. So like this, it won't be visible in our AutoCAD window. So we need to fix that, right? Without that we cannot work. Just like that we cannot work because there are many options available in our command bar. So what there are two types to fix the problem. So first one is we need to type the command like command line. So once you type the entire command, it will reappear in the same state. Like just we need to type the command line, that's it. Or else you need to press Ctrl+9. This is the short key. Ctrl+9 is the short key, and command line is the entire command to reappear our command bar. If you want to hide the same, you need to enter command line hide, like this, command line hide. So it will hide, or else you need to press the Ctrl+9 once again so that it will hide and it will reappear. So this is a simple one, but no one knows this, how to reappear the command line bar. Okay, thank you for watching this, and if you have any other doubts related to AutoCAD, just leave me in comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. Or else you need any other videos to be done in AutoCAD, just leave us in comments. I will do the same as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us. Thank you.